In today's video, I am going to teach you how to remove the dollar sign in Excel. This is a very simple formatting change, and it only takes a moment once you know where to look. If your numbers are showing a dollar sign and you want them to appear as plain values instead, Excel lets you change that directly from the ribbon at the top of the screen. To begin, highlight the cells or columns that contain the dollar signs. You can click and drag across a small group of cells if you only want to update part of your worksheet. If the entire column uses the same format, you can click the column letter at the top to select the whole thing at once. Make sure the correct cells are selected before moving on, because Excel will only change the formatting in the area you have highlighted. Next, go to the Home tab on the top ribbon. This tab contains most of the everyday formatting tools in Excel, including the options for how numbers are displayed. Once you are on the Home tab, look for the Number drop-down menu. In many cases, this drop-down will currently say Currency or Accounting if the selected cells are using a dollar sign format. Click that drop-down menu to open the list of number formats. From there, change the format to General or Number. As soon as you select one of those options, the dollar signs will disappear from the selected cells. The values themselves will stay the same. You are only changing how they are displayed. If you choose General, Excel will show the numbers in a more basic default format. If you choose Number, the cells will still look clean and numeric, but you may also see decimal settings depending on your worksheet. Either option removes the dollar sign, so you can choose the one that fits your spreadsheet best. This is useful when data was originally formatted as money, but you now need to use it as regular numbers for sorting, reviewing, or presenting information in a different way. If needed, you can always switch the format again later using the same drop-down menu. That covers everything you need to know.